How do you sell to someone who doesn't believe change is possible anymore? That's exactly like selling to parents of ADHD kids. They are tired, they have tried many things before, and they are highly skeptical. Welcome to Fixing Offers, where I break down what's not working in real offers and show you how to fix them for conversion. Hi, my name is Amar, and I'm a marketing strategist. I have helped clients take their digital offers from a few $1,000s to millions in annual revenue just by fixing the way it's presented. In today's episode, we are looking at an ADHD parenting course. The product is helpful, the mission is solid, but let's see how it's been presented. So let's fix it. Okay, so this is the landing page. Traffic coming is through ads. People usually browse Facebook and Instagram on their phone. So let's look at how this page actually looks like to the audience. Okay, first let's quickly browse through the page. Some testimonials, money back guarantee, 3 FAQs, call to action. Who is the audience? The audience is parents who have ADHD kids. So these parents most likely are exhausted. They have probably tried a few things. Their biggest limitation is they don't have time because they are constantly managing their kids' tantrum and trying to handle them. And the solution of this offer is how to deal with ADHD kids effectively. Right now, the headline over here is inwards looking, and it's forcing the visitor to figure out what this means. What does ADHD roadmap means? We don't know. And everything you need to know is very vague. And this is an important part, self-directed course. The implied meaning of this word is the parents will have to put in the effort. If our audience is already tired and exhausted, they don't have energy to spend. So our solution should be implying that the solution will work for them, not that they will have to learn, understand, and then implement it. So we need to conserve their energy. Biggest factor in conversion is the headline. If you fix the headline, you fix majority of your problem. So over here, there is a mismatch between where the audience is and what we are speaking to them. Again, this is some details about the product, but it's very vague. The video itself is just an explanation of this image. This is the image and the video basically talks about this image. It doesn't go into detail what the product is, and most importantly, it doesn't show what's inside the product. The number one thing for us to convert this offer is that we need compassion because our audience is tired or exhausted. So number one thing would be to show compassion. Number two would be to demonstrate that our techniques or our solution works. So in this video, for example, over here, if instead of talking what these 9 steps are, if we show these technique in action, for example, the kid is throwing tantrums and we show the implementation of these techniques and we see the transformation of kid from being hyper to being calm. That will be the biggest sell. Now let's scroll down the page. What you will learn again, 9 step, and every step is selling features and they are very vague, like visualize a healthier family. We are forcing them to visualize instead of feeding them imagery. And these are very short, they are not going into the benefits of the product. For example, if you want to expand on this, identify the problem and visualize a healthier family so that you have a calm morning. You just have to add so that, and it will turn into a benefit. Enroll now button. Okay, so over here the first CTA is introduced very early. What happens is if you introduce the call of action before the audience have a chance to go into your product, what it is, it introduces a high bounce off. So the data will back up this claim is that people who come to this page bounce off immediately. Why is that? Because first they don't see the outcome of their problem, outcome or towards their solution. They just see title of a course. And secondly, the CTA is too early. And if they click the CTA right now, let's see where it goes. And if it goes to the checkout, they didn't have a chance to. Over here is $97. Right now, we haven't done any price anchoring. They don't know what's exactly inside this product and why is it $97. They have to justify the price by anchoring the price. For example, if you go to a therapist, it will cost you for an year of therapy will cost you $5,000 or $10,000. So we are anchoring the price way up high, and then we are saying that our solution is much cheaper and much more effective. Testimonials, people usually just skim through this, so they are not actually reading it, and this is too long. So if we just use like one sentence quotation, that would work much better. Join now, money back guarantee. There is no mention of price on this page, so we need to introduce a section on what the product is and then anchor the price. So we can make multiple changes, but the biggest conversion would be the headline, and this is a headline I've written. So let's see. Now we are starting the conversation from the point they are already in. So they are dealing with meltdowns, they are feeling guilty. Our product is offering a way for them to be a parent without feeling guilty. And how do they do that? By using our product. And our product promises to turn their daily chaos into calm in just 8 minutes a day. Now, this is a claim I found inside this page, and this is a transformation that I've added. Next, I would remove the VSL unless we change the VSL. Then I have introduced a section on what this product is. So this is a reset method specifically designed for parents to deal with these things. These are tools to calm chaos in under 8 minutes. These are transformation, outcome transformation. Then a lot of qualifiers. Who is this for? And then this was built inside real home. This is when I used to raise my own 13-year-old ADHD child. Now, again, I have taken this information from her website. I've not invented this information. We are talking about benefits, and we are talking about this audience is geared towards moving away from a pain point. So we have to mention that you do this without, or even if. Now I've again taken this picture from elsewhere and I've added this. This is most probably a 13-year-old ADHD kid. So this shows that she's raising a ADHD kid. Now this roadmap is a shortcut. Now we have to make our solution easy to use. And this is what this word shortcut communicates. So I've added a bit of copy, don't really need to get into it. But the point is that we need to frame our product as like easy to use, and it will give you micro wins. Micro wins, micro transformation. For example, we can add here, try it, read it, use it for 30 days. And if it doesn't help you, we'll refund you. So we are communicating that this product will work within 3 days. Again, add a bit of copy. For example, over here, this one shift alone prevents 50% of blow ups before they start. Adding a bit of curiosity. Over here, I would probably add her hero's journey, how she basically learned about this thing. She's an expert, she has 2 degrees. I would also introduce price anchoring over here. Therapy cost this much, books cost this much, and this much, and this much. And this course, it has these many hours on real life, on the job training, and it's only $97. Now our price makes sense considering all the other factors. So this is how I would improve this offer. And let's come back in a new video and